We are here at the Elitetuner event at Atco Drag Race. So when I get my car, we'll put one of these, right?
Yeah, when you get it.
Alright guys, we're here with the F30. We got my boy Sticks, 440i. Yo, Sticks, say what's up, bro?
What's good, you two?
If you guys can see over there, there's a drag strip. We'll definitely get closer for that. Should I take the F30 drag racing? A little 4-cylinder action? Nah, probably not. So we're gonna walk around, guys, check out some of the cool cars. Speaking of cool cars, first one right over here. This is, I think, the launch spec, by the way. The green with the orange interior, bro. He's got the bucket seats. Yeah, it's not just Beamers, guys. We got a whole bunch of like JDM cars, some really nice cars. Look at this. Look at this STI. That's pretty wild. S2000, I respect it. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of cool stuff. Yeah, some, you know, not so great. Another S2000 Civics. We'll definitely find the Beamers. So if you guys are like me, you like your Beamers. We got a little Benz action, RSX. Always love these cars, especially in this blue, man. This slammed the cord. More Civics, Teggy, multiple colors. Probably couldn't decide. Oh, look at this. This is sick. Bro, first of all, what's up with those exhausts? I almost kicked those. Yo, check out this.
Yo, look at this.
M240. What? Oh, he's got Tesla wheels on. Bro, that's hilarious. But I like this, man. The M240, bro, in this color, this is beautiful. Bro, I want to get this for my wife. I mean, listen, I'm not saying I'm gonna get it, but that would be pretty cool. Especially in that purple. My wife loves that purple. Which, my new M car, by the way, I was planning on getting in purple. I didn't get it in purple. I wanted to. Meaty tires. Sheesh. Oh, look at this. An RDX souped up. Never seen an RDX done up like this. If you guys don't know me, I love Beamers, but honestly, I love Hondas too. I started off with the Honda. I just love Hondas, Acura, so I kind of just gravitate towards them, I'm not gonna lie. Especially older Civics like this. Oh, look at those. Sheesh. Bro, set up the alarm. Alright guys, we got a whole bunch of Beamers over here. E36. We got a 2 Series. Hey, F82. What is F80? F80. F30. Let's go. E92, E46. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of Beamers. Oh, hold on. What's this? X3M? Oh, I want one of these. I want to get rid of the X3M40 and get an X3M. Honestly, I freaking love these cars. Now, this is what makes me happy, guys, seeing the Beamers. Well, don't get me wrong, like, I love JDM, I love, you know, supercars, but man, like, Beamers, just something about them. And Hondas, too. I still love my Hondas. Oh, this is sick. Hey, yo, copyright. This is sick, though. A-Series, old school. I don't know what color this is. Is this Brooklyn Gray? Yeah, it looks like Brooklyn Gray. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful too, man. There's some really nice cars over here, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, we just came across a whole bunch of sick cars. We got an M4 Competition, an M4 CSL. This thing is sick. Look how fire this thing is, man. I don't know if we can really see the interior because, you know, everyone wants to put drug dealer tints. But yeah, man, this thing is sick. And then, not only that, we got an M4 GTS right next to it. Like, how crazy is that? M4 CSL, M4 GTS, got a roll cage and everything. We got the wing, OEM wing on here. The GTS taillights, of course. And then it doesn't end there, guys. Look, we got an M4 CS, which is sick. I want to do the white, personally. But he's got a roll cage. That's definitely not factory. Yeah, that's sick, man. Guys, this is definitely where it's at. There's a whole line of Beamers. I'm trying to show you guys like the cool ones. Oh, look, another X3M. Man, I love the X3M. Anyways, trying to show you guys all the cool ones, the ones that I like. But man, there's so many cars here. Like, it's hard to see them all. Like, just look at this. It does not end. Look at this thing. Sheesh. Wide body. Is that a 1M or a 135? I don't know. I can't tell. Don't judge me, guys. This thing is sick, though. Ooh, that's clean. That's yours? Yes. That's a beautiful car, man. Look at this. Would you guys do it? Ski box on your car? I said yes. Stick said no. He said you never. What? The ski box? Yeah, no. Why not, man? It's cool. But this thing in general is beautiful. Look at those wheels. Sheesh.
We'll be out here in force.
Beautiful. All right, so you're saying this thing is super loud? This is this is 2023.
It's 2023.
All right, well.
Straight pipe, so it's a callus downpipe, single mid pipe. And what we did is we unplugged the servo and we stainless steel zip tied the valve over. So it's just a straight pipe all the way back. It's no different than having, you know, a single pipe instead of the muffler. So let's start it up.
A bit of cleanup back.
My wife hates it.
Oh man, well I'll tell you this much, my wife ain't gonna like it either. Yo, definitely go check them out, guys. RPI. So when I get my car, we'll put one of these, right?
Yeah, when you get it.
You guys see what I'm seeing? You guys recognize these cars? That's right, it's keys. Guys, right next to keys, Beamer girls. If you guys remember my Impact video, my wife said no. This time, she can't stop me. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do it. If you're watching this, I'm walking away. Yo, Sticks.
You know we're not professional here.
Look, where are we going to next? Beamer girls?
Where are the cars at?
Yeah? There's no cars, there's something better. Free merch. GTR. This is nice about like mixed shows. You get some like nice cars you don't see at these BMW only events. GTRs are sick. Dude, this blue, oh, yo, this is the Adro. That's sick. I gotta do this. Dude, this thing is sick.
The first person to bring me their cabin filter.
Right? Dude, this thing is sick. We got some more cool cars over here. The whole like Need for Speed, I think it's Need for Speed. The wagon. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking if I do another F-Series build, should I do a wagon and should I convert it to an M3 wagon, like an F81 wagon? I think that would be cool. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, hold on. I didn't even realize this. They got the G80 grill on it and bumper. I don't know how I feel about that. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Should I do something like that? I think it would be cool. All right, guys, check this out. This is actually pretty sick. I know Honda gang, but yo, look at this thing. Look at that interior. What? That's wild. Fully upholstered. The stitching over there. Got another GTR. Was that M5? Another GTR. Another GTR. Sheesh. Another GTR. Bro, what the heck? It's a whole bunch of GTRs. Difference between loud and sounding good. I don't know. Some people just like to sound loud. But yo, check out this. Skittles. Those colors are pretty sick. Not something I would personally do, but it definitely captures attention, that's for sure. A pink 3 Series? All right, okay. Ooh, Civic Type R. That's sick. And whatever this is, I don't know what it is, but it's cool. But I like the Type R, guys. I always wanted one of these. Another G80, guys, in black. What color interior? Let's see. Is this black on black? No, black with red. I respect it. This thing is sick. The bucket seats. Look at this, guys. We can't stay too long because copyright. But yo, these are cool. All right, guys, we've been here for a good while at this point, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. We got to check out some cool cars, and yeah, we shot a really cool video with Sticks on his channel. So if you guys want to see, it's actually really interesting. Go check out his channel. But yeah, otherwise, guys, I'm pretty much done. I'm tired. I'm hungry, and I can barely hear anymore. So with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.